Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the sum function in Excel. It's a simple and effective way to add numbers without doing it manually. In my data you can see how many steps I made each day and week. If we want to know the total number of steps, we will use sum function. Type equals sum, then select your range in brackets. Mine is from B2 to B6 and hit enter. And we got total number of steps 32,500. And there is still faster way to do this sum instead of writing in cell. You can do this quickly by pressing Alt and equals on keyboard, and you have it done, even faster than first method. If you want count only some cells, just select which ones you want, and again press Alt and equals for sum function.